This video explains how to recalibrate the screen on the Garmin Nuvi 1300 series. First of all, you will put your finger in the left upper hand corner of the screen, and then you'll hold down the power button. And as soon as an image comes onto the screen, you'll let go of the power button, but you'll still hold your finger on the screen. And you'll use the pad of your finger rather than the nail, because the Garmin responds best to the pad of your finger. Now, sometimes if the calibration is too far out of calibration, then you will need to try a couple different areas on the screen. You may have to try pressing, somewhere around the corner or maybe a different corner, because if it can't detect, what part of the screen is actually the corner, you may have to try this a couple times to make sure that you can get to the recalibration screen. And in just a moment here, it'll take us to the screen where we can go ahead and calibrate it, and there's that. Then you can let your finger go as soon as it's gotten to the screen. I'm going to use an eraser just as a better pointing device, so you can see exactly where I'm pressing, and also it helps the Garmin to get a better idea of where I'm pressing. But you can go ahead and use your finger and it'll work just fine. So we'll press there, and each of the different locations it tells us. And now sometimes you'll have to run through that sequence twice, maybe up to like 5 times, because if it was too far out of calibration, it wants to make sure that you're pressing the right location. So it'll kind of confirm it. You have to run through each of those different 5 or 6 steps. You might have to run through all of those a set of 5 times or so, hopefully just once or twice. We'll press OK. Then the Garmin will start up, and as soon as it's started up, we'll just check to make sure that the calibration is correct. So we will go to the Where To screen, go to an address, and we're going to spell the city. And as you can see now, when I press it, it's exactly where I pressed the screen. And so now the calibration is complete. And if you ever have this problem again, just go through those same steps and you will have a recalibrated screen.